Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. Since the device is usually relatively easy to open and the battery can be easily removed with the help of the pull-out tape, this repair is certainly recommended for beginners or people with little experience in the repair of smartphones. However, a certain amount of technical know-how and the safe handling of the corresponding tools are indispensable. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Separating the LCD screen from the middle cover. Power off the mobile phone. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Fix the suction cup on the LCD screen in the lower area. Remove 2 screws, pentalobe, beside the charging connector, dock connector. Try to raise the LCD screen just a little bit by pulling the suction cup to slice the plectrum tool between LCD screen and middle cover. Start levering with the plectrum tool once around until you can raise up the LCD screen completely. Just clap the LCD screen to the top. Attention! In the upper section the LCD screen is still connected with the middle cover via 2 flex cables of the LCD screen and touchscreen. Remove 2 screws, cross, from the covering of the battery connector. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Release the battery connector with the spudger. Hint: disconnecting the battery should be done at the beginning of every repair to prevent an electrical short. Remove 5 screws, cross, from the covering of the LCD flex connectors. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Disconnect the 2 flex cables, LCD and touchscreen, to make sure that the LCD screen is separated from the middle cover completely. Removing the battery. On the bottom of the battery you will find 2 overlapping adhesive strips which you can easily remove with the help of the spudger and the tweezer. Then you can grab one after the other with your fingers and try to pull them out at a stretch. In case that one of the strips pulls off, like you can see in our case, try to pull out the end of the strips with the tweezer to grab it again. If this is not possible, you have to heat the battery carefully from the back and lever it out with the help of the spudger. Possibly the battery gets bent by levering. That's not a problem. After removing the battery, you can easily curve it back if you want to reuse the battery. Connecting the LCD screen with the middle cover. Link the 2 flex connectors, LCD and touchscreen, with the mainboard. Arrange the LCD screen for that purpose upright to the middle cover to brace it. Fix the covering of the connectors with 5 screws, cross. Fixing the battery. Our recommendation: use original adhesive strips for fixing the battery, so you can make sure that you are able to remove the battery easily when you need it next time. Nevertheless, we show you an alternative: fixing the battery with universal adhesive strips. Cut 2 strips of the universal adhesive and fix them on the long side of the battery back. Remove the protective foil from the back of the adhesive strips with the tweezer. Put the battery down to its position and adjust it. Link the battery connector. Push the battery solid. Fix the covering of the battery connector with 2 screws. Closing the device. Lay down the LCD screen to the middle cover and start pushing the LCD screen solid on the middle cover. Push it solid once around until the mobile phone is closed completely. Fix the 2 screws, pentalobe, beside the dock connector. Power on the mobile phone and test it for functionalities. Insert the SIM card tray. If you want to know how to change the LCD screen of your iPhone 6 yourself, watch the video below. iPhone 6 screen replacement. If you have any questions or suggestions about our video, please leave us a comment. And if you liked the video, we are happy about the thumbs up.